All right, guys, welcome back. Today we got 2 box of Hobby Inception Baseball. We're about a week behind the power curve. Topps from my pre-order took them a week to get here after release. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened up. Seeing some of the videos out there, seems like it's either hit or miss with these things, and hopefully we can be one of the hits. All right, starting off, we got a Paul Skenes rookie. Let's see here so I don't screw this up too bad from the order. Kyle Harrison, is that a green? Juan Soto base. Or actually, no, that's a short print. That's the X. All right, nice. So go from behind here before we pull out the thick card. So we have a Jordan Beck. Screw it, let's just go ahead and do it. Andy Pages, the blue, 21 out of 25. Yeah, the color designs are super nice. Let's see, what do we got next? Riley Green, out of 99. Is that a magenta? And looks like this is going to be our last one for the 7th card. Oh, heck yeah, Junior Caminero, auto relic. 123 out of 125. Dang, that's pretty sweet. Whew. Go ahead and set them up there for now. Get our next box here. That's one we just opened. Well, we're about to that All-Star break there, and hopefully I can pull a Ronald Acuña out of this, since he has been on fire since he's come back. It's been pretty impressive to watch. All right, our last one. And what do we start off with? All right, Brian Ramos. Even take a look before I did that. All right, we got Ellie. All right, we got Julio with the X short print. Go ahead, put them up on the stands. And then we just got the green Johan Rojas. Everson Pereira. All right, let's go from behind here, see what we got. Freddie Freeman. Wow, it's kind of a not too exciting pack. And what do we get? Dawn of Greatness. Daryl Strawberry, 6 out of 25. It's a pretty cool looking card. Maybe not the player I'd want it, but still, it's a sweet looking card. It's even kind of a pretty sweet autograph too. So actually, I think I got 7 cards on this, because we had the Ramos started off, Rojas. Yeah, so I've seen a couple. Yeah, there we go. We've got our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I've seen some guys get an extra one, but yeah. So we had Dawn of Greatness, the Junior Caminero auto, huge patch. It's pretty cool. And we had, what, 2 other number cards, I believe, there. Yeah, we had Andy Pages. Sorry if I'm butchering his last name. 21 out of 25. And then the Riley Green, 76 out of 99. So, beautiful looking cards. Pretty expensive, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks again for watching. See you guys later.